Have you invested in Office 365? Are you waiting for your transformation to a modern digital workplace? Office 365 holds the key to a whole new world of work. But if you don't change the way you get things done and adopt modern tools, you won't reap the benefits. Storyals has been designed to help organizations transition to a modern workplace by inspiring, motivating, and educating users on how to work smarter using Office 365 through video-based storytelling. Through the Storyals portal, deployed directly into your own Office 365 environment, users are guided through the Office 365 jungle and provided expert guidance on how to get more out of Office 365. In our unique, story-based tutorials, we show how Office 365 can effectively be used in real-life scenarios to get better results. Since Office 365 is continuously changing, keeping users motivated and educated on the latest innovations is a continuous journey. Storyals helps you in that journey by providing you with engaging content that's automatically updated for you. Don't waste time and money being stuck in old habits. Contact us today to learn how you can get more out of your